understanding. That's it for today in English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might hear at the end of classes, meetings, or presentations. That's it for today. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some variations to help you understand and use this phrase correctly in your conversations. So, let's get started. That's it for today is a phrase used to indicate that a session, event, or activity is coming to an end. It signals that all planned topics, activities, or agenda items have been covered, and there will be no more discussion or activity for the current day. This phrase is commonly used in educational settings, workplaces, and informal gatherings to inform participants that the session is concluded. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In educational settings, teachers often use it to conclude a lesson or class. In the workplace, it might be used at the end of a meeting to signal that all agenda items have been discussed. In informal settings, you might hear it at the end of a social gathering or activity. To use this phrase effectively, it should be delivered clearly and at a natural pause in the conversation or activity, ensuring that all participants understand the session is over. While "that's it for today" is straightforward, there are several variations that can add a bit of diversity to your language use. Here are a few. That wraps up our day. We're done for today. That concludes our session. Each of these variations serves the same purpose but allows you to adjust your language according to the formality of the setting or your personal style. It's important to note that the use of "that's it for today" and its variations can be influenced by cultural norms. In some cultures, a more formal or elaborate closing might be preferred, especially in professional settings. Being aware of these nuances can help you communicate more effectively across different cultural contexts. And that's it for today on our exploration of the phrase, "That's it for today." We hope this video has been informative and has given you a clearer understanding of how and when to use this phrase. Remember, mastering such common phrases is a great step towards fluency in English. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.